How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Gear and Guitars with Mel. I'm Mel. It's been a long time. Out here in my garage, got a mystery box today and decided to give it an open on video. It's been a long time since I did a unboxing, I think, so people still seem to dig them. I don't know. We'll get at it though. Besides, who doesn't want to open a Sweetwater box? I mean, seriously. All right, let's set this down here. See what we're working with. Here we go. We're looking for a box opener. So I've had this sitting in the house for a little over an hour. It was coming from Indiana. I'm in the Northeast. So I'm thinking an hour should have been fine, especially since it was on a truck with a driver, a FedEx Express driver. Yeah, I know I'm supposed to be down here looking in the camera, but I'm doing stuff. Especially since it was in a box with him the whole time, in the car with him the whole time. I'm sure I don't gotta worry so much about it. So let's see in the mystery box. What do we got here? We got some box candy, a little Sweetwater sticker. What's this here? Happy New Gear Day. There's nothing like the feeling of getting a new piece of gear. Trust us. Well, I'm going to assume that. Oh, you got the Pro Gear Select catalog. Yeah, they're trying to get me. I'm going to assume from the shape of the box, this is a guitar. So let's see what we got going on in here. Toss that over there. Oh, I see Fender. I see the F. I'm seeing the F over there. Oh, and I'm seeing the Squire on this side. Hey, that's backwards in that, isn't it? That's nifty. So where do you put the trusty opener? Yeah, on that though, if you are getting a guitar and you're living up high in Canada or something like that, or you're living out in a place where there is a lot of cold, okay, what you're gonna want to do is definitely let your oh wow, so that's how they do it now, huh? The interior box is no longer straight up. All right, good packing material. Let's put the knife away, at least for the moment. Anyways, yeah, so if you're up in where it's colder, you know, vice versa, whether it's cold, whether it's hot, this has weight. Ooh, what do we got here? All right, well, Squire Fender. Yeah, we know all about Squires. So we get a little, a welcome to Fender family. We dedicated blardy blar. A little stuff that would be, oops, on the floor. Would be case candy if this were in a case. So what we got here? Ooh, I'm seeing some gold around that Squire logo. This is a classic vibe. Well, now, what do we got here? Something that's stuck on with the doodad. You have questions, we have answers. I mean, I don't have questions right now. Certifies that your new instrument is passed Sweetwater's 55 point. Well, I'm going to have to go ahead and give a big thanks to Chris at Sweetwater, I think. Look at that there. That is a 70s classic vibe. Oh, they even, look at that. Even have stamped, oh, that's weird. So you get a tortoise shell. Oh, look at some of how that grain moves. Can you see that? That's pretty cool. Get the tortoise shell pick guard, but a black cover in the back. That's weird. So yeah, this is a classic vibe 70s. You can tell by the fat headstock. This one's made in Indonesia. Maple neck. Looks like a really, really dry and possibly slightly damaged laurel fretboard. Oh man, that's not the best, huh? I have to check that out and see if that's something I can just deal with if I'm willing to. Look at these. So one thing I do know as far as the the new 70s classic vibes go. This is the natural, obviously. It's a poplar body, and I'm looking at what I believe to be a 2-piece poplar body, which is nice. I'm okay with that. Decent grain, they lined it up real nice. So it's looking pretty good. You got those little bird's eye spots in there. I like those. A little bit of personality. There's some up here on the top horn as well. I know that these are Fender pickups now. Fender designed. Ooh, I get free online lessons. Get Fender. So what are these? That is awesome, dude. So they stamped Squire into the saddles and the classic vibes now. With that big fat head sack with the best Fender tuners. Except for the lockers. I like the lockers, but these are the vintage. So you just pop that string in there. Look at that. Well, we're gonna have to get some tones on this bad boy. But there you go. That is the unboxing. So we'll see you when we see you. We'll jump inside and put this on the rig and the pedal board and see what kind of noise we can make. All right. Thanks for hanging out. Gears Guitar with Mel. I'm Mel. See you in the next one.